All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to play this. All right, so let's do a quick review. And again, if you haven't watched those first 4 short videos, go back, watch those, and then jump back into this lesson because that will help everything tie together and make sense with the method that we're using. For you guys who have already gone through those videos, let's do a quick review of our notes. So remember, we have our little group, which is 1 and 2. It repeats everywhere, 1 and 2, 1, 2. We have our big group, which is 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And then we have our 2 white notes, which are 3, the little step before 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And then our pattern repeats. There's 7, there's 7, the little step before 1. All right, so let's start out by breaking down this little short melody. So we'll get our hand into position. And so for this melody, our hand will start here with our thumb on 1. Just like that. And so your thumb will be on 1. So you see from this position, you can play the first 5 notes. Now we're not going to need 4 for this song. We'll just need the 4 notes. We need 1, 2, 3, and 5. So you see that? So those are the 4 notes that we're going to use for this. All right. So let's start out with learning the melody. So let's learn those first few notes. All right. And we're going to take it bit by bit and we'll keep building. So we have 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. You try it. Good. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Now it's good to practice this, even if you're not a singer. It's good to get in the habit of vocalizing the notes because it'll allow your ear to develop. And then when you hear songs, you'll be able to pick them out and you'll be able to learn them and retain them. All right. So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Good. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. You try that. I'll do it one more time. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. All right, last time. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. And notice I don't have to move my hand at all. I can keep it right here in this one position. And then the last few notes of our melody, the beginning repeats, if you notice. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Now this is where it changes. 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. You try it. So now if we play the whole phrase together, we get this. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. So you see it's all right here in this one position here. All right, so now let's add our left hand to this. Now our left hand is gonna play a chord. Now remember, we said all of the notes repeat all over the keyboard. So we're gonna start, we'll put our pinky on 1 in the left hand. And then your pointer finger is gonna go on 5. So you'll play 1 and 5 in the left hand. And this, what we're playing, this chord that we're playing here is called a power chord. It's just 2 notes. Now, the cool thing about power chords is you can use them really effectively to chord and to harmonize in your left hand. So we're just going to take a second and let's identify the power chords that we're going to use in this song. So your pinky starts on 1. And we identify power chords by the bottom note. So if I say play 1 and I'm referring to the power chord, that means you're playing these 2 notes together. So if you play your 1 chord, it would be these 2 notes. If I was just playing 1 as a single note, then I just play this. So really the name of the chord includes all of the notes included in that chord. So if I say play your 1 chord, when we're referring to our power chord, it would be this. Now, in the same manner, when we go to play our 4 chord, so when we go to 4, remember 4 is the first note in our big group, 4, 5, 6, see? 4 is that first note. Well, I'm going to put my pinky on 4 now, and I'm going to play my power chord on 4. And if you notice, it's the same shape, just like the 1 chord. Now, a cool way to identify your power chord in this method when we're playing on black notes is that you're going to have 2 black notes in between your notes. So you can look at it like play, skip 1, 2, skip 2 black notes, and the next black note helps you form your power chord. So when I go to 4, when I start my pinky on 4, see, if I skip 2 black notes and play the next black note, I get my power chord on 4. Now, the last power chord that we're playing in this arrangement is going to be on 5. So I put my pinky on 5. Remember, 5 is in the middle of the big group. You have 4, 5, 6 in that big group. So 5 is there, pinky's on 5. And you see what happens? So I have a power chord. I skip the 2 black notes and play the next black note. Now, you really only want to use this method of skipping or thinking like that until you have the chords under your fingers. So that's the step for you just getting used to identifying the chords and being able to play them. After you do them a few times, you're not going to have to use that. You'll just know where to go. It's kind of like when you first start sounding out words. After a while, you don't always have to sound out words. You're able to, when you see the word cat, you just know it's cat. You're not sounding it out anymore. And so that's really the same process here. So once you identify where the power chord is, you're able to go right back to 1. 1, 4, because remember we name it by the bottom note, and then 5, we're naming it by the bottom note. All right? So against the melody, remember you have da, ta, 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 ta. All right, let's just play that much. 1, 2, ready, play. Ta, 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 ta. All right, let's add the next part. So we have ta, 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 ta. We go to 5. Ta, 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 ta. See that? Ta, ba, ba, da, 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 da. Ta, 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 ta. And then the end of that phrase, remember the melody starts the same in the beginning. So we just repeat ta, 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 ta. And so that's the whole accompaniment for the left hand. So let's go back to our right hand. Remember, thumb sits on 1. Hey everybody, just want to jump in here real quick. Do not panic because the numbers are going to disappear. The reason we make the numbers disappear is so you begin to start using your brain. Because what happens when most people take methods and start reading, they're so dependent on what's on the page, they never really get a chance to engage their brain and start working on things. So don't worry about it. We're going to keep growing, keep developing. All right, let's jump back into the video. All right, if we add them together, we can do it slowly. It would be like this. Now watch the movement. See that? Where your chords move together. Let's just do that much. 1, 2, try it, and 1, 2, try it again. And we'll just keep repeating this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, try it again. We can do it one more time. All right, now let's finish the phrase out. So it'll be like this. Go. And that's the way you practice. One phrase at a time. Now we're going to add the next phrase. That left hand goes to 5. All right, let's just go that far. We'll do it one more time. And next phrase. All right, so you see, if we break it up slowly, phrase by phrase, you just keep building and building. 1, 2, let's try it again. Not bad. One more time. Now the melody repeats. Let's do that ending, that last ending melody that goes. We'll try it again. Do it again. Okay, I want you to pay attention to something that we're doing. And it's really important that you learn like this and that you start building just phrase by phrase. So even as we build this last phrase, we approach it. And you may even need to break it down that small. So you count 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And then maybe you get to next part 3. just keep repeating. Try with me. Da, 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 da. Very good. And something I want to point out right now, the way we're playing, I'm having you move your whole hand. I'm having you shift so you can get used to moving around and get used to just sliding your hand and feeling for the keys. A good way to practice is to feel almost like Braille. Like you'll get used to feeling for the key as you move, so you don't have to keep always looking down at it. So that's a good way to close your eyes even and slide your hand, kind of feel for 4, feel for 5, and then you feel for 1. See, if I just move my hands like this, I can kind of feel where my big group, my little group is. I can kind of feel where the big group is. See, and that's how you get used to just moving around and not having to always look down at your hands. That's another reason I like starting on the black keys like this, because it allows you to kind of get really familiar with just feeling your way around the keyboard. All right. So let's put it all together. And we'll play the whole song together. 1, 2, 3, and very good. Oh, we didn't do our ending chord. And that ending chord is just you dropping the shape we've been in the whole time. We just play those 3 notes together to play that chord. And we'll discuss what this is in another lesson. But for now, just play those 3 notes together and you have your ending chord. All right, great job, everybody. See you guys in the next lesson. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll be dropping new videos every single week. All right, see you soon.